To remove objects from photos on a Samsung A36 5G, just start by opening your gallery and pick the photo that you want to adjust. So let's try to change something right here. And I would like to remove this icon. This item. This is the, SIM tray tool. So click on this icon. Now you will have to click on the 4 dots icon right here and select Object Eraser. You get two options. You can actually erase shadows or reflections or anything that you want to select. So by clicking here, you can get this automatic selection, but you can also draw manually like this. Take a look. And now you'll have to select Erase. There we go. Tap on it once, wait for a few moments, and as you can see right now it is finished and it works really great. Click Done to apply changes, and as you can see you have to click Save one more time in the right upper corner.